Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. From this video, we will try to doing some exercise of linear equation in one variable. Start from number 1. If given x plus 5 equals 11, then the value of x plus 33 is. If you have x plus 5 equals 11, you can think that what number that added by 5 of the result is 11. You know that 6 plus 5 equals 11, right? So you can write that the value of x is 6 because x plus 5 equals 11. But you can do by write down the x on the left side and then move plus 5 to the right side. It will become minus 5. So from the addition operation on the left side, if you move to the right side, it will be subtraction operation. So the value of x, you will get 6, and the question here is x plus 33, so you can substitute the value of x here. 6 plus 33 equals 39. The answer is C. Next, number 2. If 2x plus 7 equals 5x minus 11, then the value of x plus 3 is. 2x plus 7 on the left side equal 5x minus 11. So you have to move 5x to the left side and 7 to the right side. So 2x minus 5x, it will be the like term, so you can operate the both of the terms, and then right side minus 11 minus 7, right? So you get negative 3x equals negative 18. So if you want to find the value of x, you have to move negative 3 to the right side. On the left side, negative 3x, it means negative 3 times x. There is a multiplication operation here. If you move negative 3 to the right side, it will be division operation. So you will get negative 18 divided by negative 3. So the value of x is 6. And you have to count x plus 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the answer is C. Next, question 3. If P is the solution of 3 times P minus 5 equals 2 times 3 minus 2P, then the value of 3P plus 1 is. Like in algebraic expression, if you find this form 3 times P minus 5, so you have to multiply 3 with P and then 3 with negative 5. And then on the right side, you have to multiply 2 with 3 and then 2 with negative 2P. So you will get 3P minus 15 equals 6 minus 4P. And then you have to move negative 4P to the left side. It will be 3P plus 4P equals 6. And then you can move negative 15 to the right side. It will be plus 15. So it will be 7P equals 21. So you will find the value of P is 21 divided by 7. It will be 3. The value of P is 3. And then the value of 3P plus 1 equals 3 times 3 plus 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So the answer is D. Next, question 4. If x is solution of 2 divided by 3x minus 1 equals 1 divided by x plus 1, then the value of x minus 5 if if you find this form, you can multiply the numerator on the left side to denominator on the right side, and the numerator on the right side to the denominator on the left side. So you will get 2 times x plus 1 equals 1 times 3x minus 1. You have to multiply 2 to x and then 2 to 1, 1 to 3x, 1 to minus 1. So you will get 2x plus 2 equals 3x minus 1. Move 3x to the left side. 2x minus 3x equal negative 1. You can move 2 to the right side. It's become negative 2. So you will get negative x equal negative 3. Negative x equal negative 3. It means x is 3. So the value of x minus 5 is 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. So the answer is B. Next question 5. If x is solution of 1/3 time 2x minus 6 equals 1/2 times 3x minus 1 plus 1, then the value of 2x plus 4 is. Okay, you can write this form to be 2x minus 6 divided by 3, and on the right side you can write 3x minus 1 divided by 2, and then plus 1 here, replace 1 by 2 per 2. So you will get 2x minus 6 divided by 3 equals 3x minus 1 plus 2 divided by 2. You can make it to be simple form. 2x minus 6 divided by 3 equals 3x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, 2 times this one, 3 times this one. You will get 2 times 2x minus 6 equal 3 times 3x plus 1. So it will be 4x minus 12 equals 9x plus 3. And then move 9x to the left side. It will be 4x minus 9x equals 3 plus 12. So negative 5x equals 15. So the value of x is 15 divided by negative 5. So the value of x is negative 3. And then the value of 2x plus 4 is 2 times negative 3 plus 4 equals negative 6 plus 4 equals negative 2. So the answer is B. Next number. Given the side length of triangle are 2x minus 1 cm, x plus 5 cm, and 3x minus 4 cm. If the perimeter of triangle is 30 cm, then the length of the longest side is. If you find the perimeter of triangle, it means you find the sum of the side length of triangle, right? So you can make an equation like this. 2x minus 1 plus x plus 5 and then plus 3x minus 4 equal the perimeter of triangle. It's 30 centimeter. Okay, on the left side you have 2x plus x equals 3x, 3x plus 3x equals 6x, and then minus 1 plus 5 equals 4, 4 minus 4 equals 0. So just 6x on the left side equals 30. then the value of x is 30 divided by 6. The value of x is 5. And the question here is the length of the longest side. Which one, the longest side? Is it 2x minus 1 or x plus 5 or 3x minus 4? You can check first. Of the first side, 2x minus 1 equal 2 times 5 because the value of x is 5, right? And then minus 1 equals 10 minus 1 equals 9 centimeter. So you will get that the first side length is 9 centimeter. And then for the second side, x plus 5 equals 5 plus 5 equals 10. So the length of the second side is 10 centimeters. And then for the third side is 3x minus 4 equals 3 times 5 minus 4 equals 15 minus 4 equals 11, right? So from this length of side, you will get the longest one. Which one, the longest one? Yes, of course, this one, right? 11 centimeter. So the answer is C. But if the question is the shortest length, you can answer 9 centimeter. Okay, next. Question 7. The sum of 3 consecutive whole number is 45. The sum of the greatest and smallest numbers is, okay, there are 3 consecutive odd number. You know that the difference of an odd number with the next odd number, of course, 2, right? For example, I have 1. 1 is odd number. The odd number after 1 is 3. And then the odd number after 3 is 5. Look at the difference. 1 to 3, yeah, the difference is 2. And then from 2 to 5, the difference is 2. Let the first number is x. So you will get that the second number is x plus 2, right? And then the third one is x plus 4. Yeah, that's the consecutive odd number. And you know that the sum of them are 45. So you can write down an equation x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 45 because the sum of them are 45. Okay, operate on the left side, x plus x, you will get 3x, and then plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals 45. 3x equal 45 minus 6, and then 3x equals 39, and then x is 39 divided by 3 equals 13. So the value of x is 13. It means the first number is 13, or the smallest numbers is 13, yeah? The smallest number is 13, and then the second number is 15, and the greatest number is 17. So the sum of the greatest and the smallest is 17 plus 13, you will get 30. The answer is B. But I have a good news for you, yeah, because I have a fast solution for this exercise. Do you want to know it? Okay, let's check it out. Sum of 3 consecutive odd number is 45. You can divide it 45 by 3. Yeah, it will be 15. The result here is the middle number. Yeah, the middle number. So you can find odd number before 15. It's 13. and the odd number after 15 is 17. So if the question is sum of the greatest and smallest number, yeah, you can operate 17 plus 13, right? You will get 30. Yeah, finish. You got the answer. Question 8. The sum of three consecutive even numbers is 96. The sum of the greatest and smallest number is, okay, I will use the first solution, of course, for this number. Okay, the first step is 96 divided by 3. Why 3? Because there are three consecutive even numbers. Yeah, if you have 5 numbers, you have to divide it by 5, of course. Yeah, equals 32. It will be the middle of numbers, so you can find even number before 32 is 30, and then even number after 32 is 34. So the sum of the greatest and the smallest is 34 plus 30 equals 64. C. Next, question 9. A rectangle has a length of 3x minus 5 cm and a width of x plus 3 cm. If the perimeter of rectangle is 52 cm and the length and width of the rectangle respectively is. Okay, do you still remember what is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle? Yes, right. If you want to find the perimeter of rectangle, you have to write the formula first. It's 2 times the length plus width, right? So you will get equation here. Yeah, the perimeter of rectangle is 52 equals 2 times the length is 3x minus 5 and the width is x plus 3. 52 equals 2 times 3x plus x is 4x, and then minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. Multiply this one and this one. 52 equals 8x minus 4. 8x equals 52 plus 4. 56 equals 8x. So the value of x is 56 divided by 8. So the value of x is 7. So you will find the length and the width. Yeah, you can find the length and the width. The length is 3x minus 5 equals 3 times. Substitute the value of x to this equation. You will get 3 times 7 minus 5 equals 21 minus 5 equals 16. And the width of the triangle is x plus 3 equals 7 plus 3 equals 10. So the length of the rectangle is 16 cm and the width of the rectangle is 10 cm. The answer is D. Next, question 10. A rectangle, its length is 5 cm more than its width. If perimeter of rectangle is 38 cm and its width is x cm, then the mathematics model is, okay, the width is x and the length is 5 more than the width. It means the length is 5 plus x. If the perimeter, you know that the formula of perimeter is 2 times length plus width. So you can write down here 38 equal 2 times the length is 5 plus x and the width is x. So you will get 38 equal 2 times 5 plus 2x. This equation is the mathematical model of this problem. Yeah, 2 times 2x plus 5 equals 38. It's B. Yeah? So the answer is B. Next, question 11. A rectangle, its width is often less than its length. If perimeter of rectangle is 34, then the area of rectangle is. Let the length of the rectangle is x. If its width is 7 less than its length, it means the width of rectangle is x minus 7, right? And the perimeter is 2 times length plus width. The perimeter is 34. You can write down here 34 equals 2 times the length is x. So write down here x plus the width is x minus 7. X minus 7. 34 equals 2 times 2x minus 7. 2 times 2x, 2 times minus 7. 34 equals 4x minus 14. So you can move minus 14 to the left side. You will get 34 plus 14 equals 4x. And then 48 equals 4x. So the value of x is 48 divided by 4. So the value of x is 12. The value of x is 12. It means the length of the rectangle x, so the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeter, and the width is x minus 7. It means 12 minus 7 equals 5 centimeters. So the area of the rectangle is length times width. So you will get the length is 12 times the width is 5 equals 60 centimeter square. The answer is B.